Hello, welcome back to another video. Before I show you the place where the borders of Poland, Lithuania and Russia meet, I show you some snippets of us cycling. Here we have a stork nest on the side of the road and a stork is inside. Have you seen the short video of me counting storks for a day? Next up we have a deer jumping across this road.
Hast du es gesehen?
Later this day we met Ramona. She's also from Germany. She is cycling to Helsinki to watch the Ice Hockey World Championships. All of a sudden a lot of dogs appeared. One of the dogs followed Ramona for quite some time.
Der läuft immer noch hinterher.
Goodbye, dog. And sometimes it's a bit too sandy. On Komoot you can check out our exact route we cycled. The link is in the description. Or you can read our blog post. The link is also in the description.
Hat er nicht mehr mitgemacht.
Ja, der war vor allem also sehr fokussiert extrem lange hinterher.
Ja, vor allem ich dachte, okay, gut, jetzt 44, er wird leiser, er ist weg und dann geht's bergauf und auf einmal sitzt er wieder hinter mir.
Ja, das war sehr ausdauernd.
Alter.
So.
Now we are walking to the place where the three borders meet. We are here at the Tripoint of Poland, Lithuania and Russia, but unfortunately I can't make a video of the Tripoint itself because it's not allowed to take photographs of Russia. So I only can show you the Poland side. So we are here in Poland, and on this side where you can see also the fence is Lithuania, and on the other side we have Russia, but I can't film there. And we cycled here along the Green Velo, and the Green Velo is just right here where the street is. And yep, and when we walked there, because we are staying here in a nearby, and we saw a rabbit. He was happily hopping to Russia, but you can't go there. And here on the Poland side there's like a stork nest. I don't know if you can see it, it's a bit far behind, and he can look at all three countries and see what is happening. And this is also the way, the point where we are changing our route, because we originally planned to go through Lithuania, then Latvia, and then Moscow, so Russia, and then further away we go back to Russia and then go to China, but yeah, it's both countries, China and Russia, it's it's impossible to cross those countries now, so we changed our route to cycle around the world, and from this point on we are gonna cycle south again. So we just went north, and this is our northest point so far, and then we gonna cycle the Green Velo here in Poland. And here we have the walkway from the Poland side, and I think if we continue walking this way, I think we can walk a little bit into Lithuania. Let's see if we can do. Here we have the border. From here we have Poland, and on the other side Lithuania, and here we have a little lake down there. Yep, and now we can walk to the other side, and now we are in Lithuania, and here you can see it says here Polska, that Poland is on the other side. Goodbye, see you next time.